Hello everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm jumping on to do a real quick unboxing from Amazon. So let's go ahead and open these packages. I went ahead and I made a little slit right here so it'll be easy to open. Let me know in the comments, have you ever ordered something and it arrived but you forgot what you ordered? This is kind of what it is. Okay, I need to save this one to be the second one. So let's see what I got. I got this clover knitting needles. This is so cool. Okay, so it's an 8mm and it's 36 inches. I really needed this. I'm getting back into knitting again, so I wanted to add some more knitting needles to what I have. And I used to be a clover girl. After the metal hooks, I went for the clover ones. Yep, clover. And then what did I go to after that? Oh, FURLS, of course. So let's go ahead and open this box. So give me one sec. All right, here we go. I have it open. They put a lot of packing materials in this thing. I might need to recycle this box. You all see that there is yarn in here. But I am happy it was packaged nicely because I didn't have to worry about anything happening to my skeins of yarn. I got some Hometown. So let me know if you've used this. This is called Houston Cream. Oh, this is so buttery soft. This is Lion brand, but I needed to get it right away. I could not order it from Lion brand directly because I needed it ASAP because I wanted to start working on a project. Now, I'll give you the specs. This is a bulky 6 and it's 5 ounces. It's 142 grams. It is 81 yards, 74 meters, and it's 100% acrylic. You can machine wash and dry this. So for the knitting needles, you'll need a 9mm, which is a 13. And then for the crochet hook, you'll need a 9mm, it says N13. So this is the Hometown, and I got 2 of these. These are so super and buttery soft, and I thought this would be a nice cream color to work with. So on to what we got next. Alrighty, I thought I ordered one more thing. I really did, but it looks like something is missing. Now I have to check my order online. This is a case. And you know, for crochet and knitting lovers, we love to try and stay organized. So we'll be able to find all of our things. So since I'm getting back into knitting and I'm collecting so many different cables, I needed a space for them. So here you go right here. You could put the cables right here. I like that it has this little mesh on the top to cover the top row. Also on the other side, you have more space to put items with the mesh on the top. And then there is another section here where you can put cables as well. You can put crochet hooks in here. Yes, it would go down deep enough. You see where my hand is? So these pockets are pretty deep. And then I like the little zip pouches. This is where we can put our notions and our scissors and so on. So let me see if these fit. The ones that I just bought. These circular knitting needles. can get the plastic off. Good Lord. I'm struggling a bit with that. So here we are. That's what we're looking at. All right. Oh, Takumi is what it says on the side, and it is marked. I'll see if you guys can really see that. It looks blurry. Let me see if I can put something behind it so the camera can zoom in on it. Can you all see that? Hopefully you can. But I will tell you what it says though. It is a US 11. It says 8mm, and then it says clover. I love the feel of it. It's nice and long, and it looks nice and close to a crochet hook. But this is a little longer than the ones that I do have, but look how it fits in my hand. It reminds me of a crochet hook for these, for this particular one. And I'm glad that I got them because I have different knitting needles. So let's see how you can put it inside. All right, let's see. Doesn't look like these would fit too well because they're so long, but I'm going to show you. Oh, they do fit. So there you go there. Of course, you can take your time and roll it up properly, but I just kind of stuck it in there really quickly so you can see that it does fit. So if you want information on this, where I got this case, like the link, I could put it down below so you can see it. I'm going to keep those in there because, well, it's been christened and I need to start using it and put my other ones in here when they're not in use. But right now I have several different projects, and that's why I needed more knitting needles, is because I'm working several projects at one time. Remember I was saying that I looked like I was missing something? Look, this was in the bottom of the box, just thrown down there. So make sure that whatever you order from Amazon or any place, you check these boxes thoroughly, because some of this stuff gets tucked down below. So I also got another set, and let me make sure. Okay, this is the number 13, 9mm. So I got an 8 and a 9mm. So I got the number 11 and the number 13, and they're both by Clover. So I'm going to open this and put it in here as well. So let me go ahead and do that really quickly. So there we are. I have my knitting needles in their proper place, and then I can take this on the go whenever I need to. So thank you for tuning in. I greatly appreciate you looking at my small haul. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Remember, if you're not subscribed, to go ahead, subscribe, turn the bell on so you won't miss a notification. I'll see you guys soon.
Thank you for watching, yeah. Please click that thumbs up, like the video. And if you haven't already, push that button that says subscribe. Subscribe to all of Joe's channel, the Crochet Sailor channel. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe to the channel.